What's the meaning of binoculars? Binoculars. Binoculars.
Binoculars. Binoculars. Binoculars are a type of optical instrument used for viewing distant objects. They consist of two telescopes mounted side by side and aligned to point in the same direction, allowing the user to view objects with both eyes simultaneously, which provides greater depth perception and a wider field of view than viewing with just one eye. Binoculars are commonly used for bird watching, hiking, hunting, stargazing, and many other outdoor activities. They come in a variety of sizes and magnification levels, with some models featuring additional features such as image stabilization, waterproofing, and night vision capabilities. Overall, binoculars are an essential tool for anyone who enjoys exploring the great outdoors or observing wildlife and nature up close.